So, good evening, everyone. We welcome you all on behalf of the Cycling Summit. This is the first episode of the Cycling Cafe. You know what we have already been doing our cycling talks with the international personalities like we have recently done with Jonas Dishman. We have covered the Olympians like Tom Squinch. We have spoken to Maya Vostovska, and I particularly think this is the right time for us to take the next step. And nothing better than we talk to some of the cyclists in our country who have their stories and wonderful experiences to share with all of us, and of course inspire us all. We have Pooja Vijay with us. Pooja Vijay is basically an entrepreneur. She's running an organization called Pink Pedals in Jaipur, and she started in 2017 and has been providing cycles on rent. She also organizes different cycling events throughout the year. Her organization Pink Pedals basically was on the list of top 26 startups of Rajasthan in the very first 6 months of operations.
Wow.
2019, she was awarded as the best entrepreneur by iCreate India. 2020, she was conferred as Asia's best innovative and creative businesswoman of 2019 by Ye4. And she's actually, now this is something that you and I want to know, and I'm sure you want to know. She was appointed as the first bicycle mayor of Jaipur in 2019. So of course, she loves cycling and she takes part in various cycling events when she's not organizing one. So yes, why not get her along with us to start off the cycling cafe?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Hi, Pooja.
Hi Dharmendra, hi Avnesh. I hope you're doing well.
We are doing well. You tell about yourself.
Uh, I'm good as well.
So, Avnish told me, and I was quite curious about knowing that there are mayors for cycling as well. I thought mayors for cities is quite well known, and people fight for election and do many things. But how do you become a mayor for a cycling in a city, and what is mayor of cycling in a city?
So there is one social enterprise based in Amsterdam known as BYCS Bikes, and we are
Okay.
together working on a mission of 50 by 30. That is by 2030, 50% of city trips should be on bicycles. That's the motto we are working. So in every city, we need some catalyst who can promote cycling, and this goal can be achieved. So I am one in Jaipur, and there are more than 100 all over the globe. And yeah. So it is basically an honorary title which have been given to me. No political interest, is associated with this bicycle mayor title. So it is just the work we have been doing, and we are just a catalyst in the city. So trying to bring more people on bicycles. That's the only target.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's wonderful to know. But how did it actually start for you? शुरू कैसे हुआ था? Like I'm sure we meet a lot of people जिनके अलग-अलग reasons हैं शुरू करने के. How did it start for you? Because I know you don't come from this background completely, and it is something very different.
Yeah, see, I used to cycle when I was there in school.
Right.
Till 12th standard, खूब cycling career. It was kind of a hobby, a recreational thing. We used to go with friends. रात में बहुत दूर दूर तक जाके cycling करिए. I mean, तब Strava भी नहीं हुआ करता था, but we used to cycle for long distances. It was just some friend thing which we can say. But then I was then in working with corporates. Then suddenly in 2017 there was some Delhi pollution incident took place, wherein people in New Delhi were unable to breathe. Somewhere nearby to the Diwali it happened
I
in
remember that.
2017. Yeah, 2016, not 17, I should say. So in 2016 this incident happened, and it was like, if it can happen in Delhi, and so Jaipur is just 250 kilometers away, so it can happen anytime here in Jaipur as well. So it's time we should take a step forward, wherein I can do something for the environment. I mean, Jaipur is something which has given me whatever I am today. I mean, I have born and brought up here in this city, and there should be something which should be given back to the city as well, which have raised you so big. So that was the thing. I decided I should do something to save the environment, and wherein I can also earn, because in the end money does matter for the livelihood. Yeah. So I was like, what I should be doing. I mean, I have a background of a BCom LLB graduate, and doing this cycling thing, I mean, it was completely offbeat thing. So yeah, so I was like, what should I be doing? So when we talk about all these problems, I mean, environment, health, air pollution, the traffic, the only solution which comes into your mind is cycles. So I was like, let's start something with the bicycles, and so there I was. I thought I'll start giving cycles on rent. I mean, I did saw too much of revolt from the family side at that time. I mean, कि क्यों अपना अच्छा वाला नौकरी छोड़ के कहाँ आ रही हो तुम? So that was kind of a trouble, but I have a very supportive family. I mean, when once I explained to them, they were quite ready. Ki, okay, you can just take the this action, and so this thing happened. And then I started Pink Petals with mere 9 bicycles, and currently we have a fleet of more than 300 bicycles.
Wow.
So yeah, so we provide cycles to the normal people. I mean, जब cycles की बात करते हैं तो लोग सोचते हैं कि एक छोटी सी चीज है, साइकिल ही तो है. So लोगों को अगर साइकिल चलाने के लिए दी जाए तो आप उनसे कहें कि एक दुकान है, दुकान पे आओ, साइकिल मिलेगी रेंट पे, वहां से चलाओ. तो people like us, I am sure they won't. कि कौन जाएगा, कौन चलाएगा. So what we did was we kept bicycles just outside the garden, the major gardens of the city, wherein people coming for the morning and the evening walk, they have this option available that they can even cycle along with walking and running.
Right.
So I started with the Jawahar Circle. So Jawahar Circle is one of the
Yes.
biggest Asia's biggest garden, largest, I should say, rather. So that was the scene. So I started with 9. In the initial first month, I mean, there was absolutely 1 to 2% of response, because कि घर में साइकिल खड़ी है तो हम यहाँ पे पैसा देकर क्यों चलाएं? And then it's a Marwadi community here. So why should we pay for those cycles even when we have our cycles at our home? So that was the scene. But slowly and gradually we started, people started loving the bicycles, because we provide all the international brand of, unique cycles. We have those tandem bicycles. We have even the penny farthing with us. We kept all such fleet which can attract people to cycle. So target ये था कि अगर साइकिल लोग देखेंगे तो चलाएंगे नहीं, बट अगर कुछ स्पेशल बाइसिकल होगी तो they will see, they will get attract, and they will certainly bicycle. So we kept cycles for everyone. I mean, for 1.5 years, we had that, the balancing bicycle, जहाँ पे पैडल ही नहीं होते, छोटा बच्चा चलना आता है, even they can cycle. If an elderly person is coming, then also we have a cycle which is, very, very comfortable for him or her to cycle. So there are so many things. I've seen people who used to resist. And minimum we kept this, cycle thing was minimum for 20 minutes. So because so लोग पूछते हैं 20 मिनट के लिए क्यों रखा? So we used to charge like 20 minutes, 20 rupees. That is the basic funda wherein we charge people, because minimum if we are riding for 20 minutes, as per the WHO, it is good for health. Every individual should ride minimum of 20 minutes in a day. So that is a basic thing which has been even clarified by World Health Organization. So that was the motive कि अगर 20 मिनट चलाएंगे तो कम से कम कुछ तो अपनी सेहत बनाएंगे लोग. And so I always target people जिन्होंने कभी जीवन में साइकिल चलाई है और वो चलाना चाहते हैं या उनके पास साइकिल नहीं है. So that was the target. So that's how I started. Then we started giving to the individuals and to the fitness enthusiasts. Then this Rajasthan tourism, we had a collaboration with Rajasthan tourism. So we came on with a concept of heritage on bicycles. Jaipur is basically something which has been renowned for its monuments and the forts. So we told people कि भाई जब आप peak hours में आते हैं, and instead of getting yourself stuck in those heavy traffic, it is better you cycle. क्योंकि अगर साइकिल पे होंगे तो जितनी देर में आप बसों में पहुंचेंगे, 45 मिनट, 50 मिनट, 1 घंटे में, maximum in 20 minutes you can reach your destination, in the walled city. So we promoted cycles that way, and we painted cycles on the theme of Rajasthan, wherein tourists can see a mini Rajasthan on the cycle. So that was quite interesting for them, and that's how it went. Then we started the public bicycle sharing in our premises. It's basically a community here known as Mahindra World, Mahindra World City. So we had almost it's an acres of land. It had been spread with variety of corporate houses and factories and industries like Infosys and MetLife, and there are so many to name. So we started this public bicycle sharing with 10 bicycles and 5 docking stations with 10 bicycles each, so that the employees working over there, because it's quite far away from the city. So we initiated the movement which is cycle with work, क्योंकि नॉर्मली जो बीपीओज में लोग आते हैं उनके पास टाइम नहीं होता, सुबह जल्दी निकल जाते हैं, रात में लेट घर पहुंचते हैं, एंड दे डू नॉट हैव टाइम टू एक्सरसाइज. सो वी टोल्ड देम, भाई दिन में तो टाइम होता है. आई मीन you going for lunch, you going for just for a walk with your friends, why not cycle? And that's how this culture started, and we were glad enough that people accepted us wholeheartedly over there. I mean, since this corona was not there, it was a grand success for us over there. So it happened, and then this was for the corporates, which we have been doing. The tourists we have already done. Then I felt like कि कुछ बच्चों के नहीं करा कभी. Then तो बच्चों के लिए कभी कुछ नहीं किया, because बच्चे भी तो एक मेजर टारगेट है. अगर हम बच्चों को समझें, अगर आज ही बच्चों को हम अगर अभी से साइकिलिंग की हैबिट लगाएंगे, obviously they will cycle when they are in their teenage. Point ये आता है, now even parents like us, they do not want our kids to be on roads when they are cycling, because we don't feel roads are safer for cyclists. Then then we also feel like कि आजकल के बच्चे, I mean they are basically into PlayStations, the mobile phones and tablets and everything. But cycles के लिए पसीना आएगा कैसे? And so people, even the parents, they do not want कि बच्चा हमारा गर्मी में बाहर जाए. So we started organizing a cyclothon known as Juniors Cyclothon. It was one of its kind event which was organized in the city in Jaipur. So it is basically children as low as 1.5 years and until 14 years of age, they used to participate. And we used to do, we have already done 3 editions of Junior Cyclothon, and it was a great success. I mean, I'll be doing it again in 2021. Fingers crossed. Hope COVID का जो है सारा scene it vanishes. So we will be certainly doing that.
तो आपसे पूछना है, आप मतलब you've been doing this for like long time now. आप कितना साइकिल कर रहे हो daily? I just wanted to know.
See, मेरा I do. So for me, it is not fixed as people like who are doing 100 kilometers. I don't do that. I mean, even if you are going to take purchase some sabji from the store, go take a cycle, lekar aao. It is not it is not like you do not have to set goals for others कि भाई इतना किलोमीटर चलानी होती है. It's like you need to cycle. So there is quite a difference thing, because आजकल क्या हुआ है, there is this thing has been set up, कितना किलोमीटर चलाया. लोग ये नहीं पूछते कि साइकिल चलाया नहीं चलाया. They ask you कितना किलोमीटर चलाया. So we need to change our mindset from this concept कि किलोमीटर चलाया नहीं चलाया is not the bigger part. Part is कि साइकिल चलाया कि नहीं चलाया. Yeah. So that is So we need to shift our mindset from here to there. And I always tell कि my target is not the cyclist. I mean, I never target cyclists because उनको तो पहले ही साइकिल से प्यार है. उनको थोड़ी ना हमें टारगेट करना है. We need to target other people. जो साइकिल ही नहीं चलाते हैं, आप उनको लेकर आए. Then it becomes something important. So that is where my target area is.
And जैसे हम लोग under cycling summit, I mean, we are targeting everyone, not particularly cycling enthusiasts, but those people who are willing to be fit or looking for regular commute. Even we see cycling is considered one of the lowest kind of sport which people are going from lowest kind of commute which people are opting from one place to another place, whereas it gives you more benefit in total terms. Not only you, but the society as well. आप pollution free होते हो, आप fit होते हो, you don't use fuel which is again expensive for the country. तो एक क्वेश्चन है, जैसे आपका टारगेट वो है, तो आप प्रोफेशनल साइकिलिस्ट के लिए जैसे आपके पास क्वेरीज आती हैं कि मैं प्रोफेशनल साइकिलिंग करना चाहता हूँ, या मतलब कैसे करें, because you already have cycling and people might be asking you for some tips on cycling at a professional level.
बहुत से आते हैं. Then we have we have associated with this the Rajasthan Cycling Federation, wherein we have few coaches over here. I have a list of people. अगर कोई ऐसी query आती है, I just direct them कि you can just approach this coach and he will certainly help you with the same. So yeah, we do that.
Okay. And आपका कोई ऐसा plan नहीं हुआ कि not only in Jaipur, why not Jodhpur, why not beyond Rajasthan or maybe Gujarat, maybe Delhi, maybe other cities to have cycling as the way you were doing in Jaipur?
So that's why the Bicycle Mayor Network has been created. We have catalysts everywhere. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you connected with the community and everyone is collaborating on this effort to make cycling as a hobby and regular activities.
Absolutely.
आपका कोरोना के टाइम पे व्हाट अबाउट द लॉकडाउन? आपने आई एम श्योर, क्योंकि आप काफी टाइम से ये ट्राई कर रहे हो, जब कोविड नाम की चीज भी नहीं होती थी, एंड हमने क्योंकि दिल्ली में देखा है, दिल्ली में साइकिलिंग काफी कम थी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, ना के बराबर ही हो सकते हैं. बट सडनली ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन और ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक it became a rage. Like everyone wanted a cycle. Like cycles are off the stores now. Cycle है हर जगह पे. हजारों लोग we see standing at India Gate, for example. सुबह साइकिल लेके पहुंच जाते हैं. I'm sure जयपुर में भी कुछ ऐसा ही रहा होगा. It's not too different. What's the difference? देखा होगा पहले और अभी.
कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं था, मतलब एज इन उस टाइम पे
उस टाइम से प्री लॉकडाउन और ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन पोस्ट बाद काफी फर्क होगा.
Absolutely. मतलब it was shift upside down वाला चेंज था. जिन्होंने नहीं चलाते थे वो भी चलाने लग गए. कुछ ऐसे थे जो दूसरे को देखकर उन्होंने भी खरीद ली साइकिल्स. There were so many people. I mean, there were people on the roads and only cycles. So it was lovely seeing everything that way. I mean, I still remember I was standing there at Jawahar Circle. I was just waiting for someone, and there were so many people on cycles. It's there in my dream कि road पे सिर्फ cycles चल रही हो, and I was actually able to see that particular moment, and then I realized I am supposed to record it कि मेरे जयपुर में ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है.
Right.
But it just happened and it just vanished, and I was like, oh no, वापस से बुलाओ इन सबको, वापस से it should be that way. There was no vehicle, no two-wheeler, no four-wheeler, only and only cycles was there. It was a lovely morning. I still cherish that morning.
I think the weather that we saw, it's not just cycles. It was like a dream moment जो हमारा pandemic में हुआ. Cyclists were on the road. It was full of cycles. B, I think the weather, the sky that I have seen in past so many years, मैंने ऐसा आज तक आसमान भी इतना साफ नहीं देखा होगा. There's like absolutely, it not even, you can't imagine this is Delhi, because Delhi मैंने दिवाली के टाइम पे, as you were talking about, मैंने वो दिल्ली भी देखा है जहाँ पे you can't even breathe, and it was beautiful blue sky. I think there's nothing like it. Everyone cherished.
Same here in Jaipur. I mean, we have we used to take our daughter to the village, and then we used to tell that कितने stars होते हैं, ऐसा blue sky होता है, and then suddenly during the lockdown we were able to we were there seeing in the Google कि भाई ये स्टार को क्या बोलते हैं, ये स्टार कौन सा है, because the stars were so easily visible in the sky. It was a beautiful moment. Yes, but the thing have changed. See, people they were supposed to realize the importance. जो उन्होंने देखा, हो सकता है उनकी वो पीढ़ी अब आगे की नहीं देख पाएगी, and लोगों को उस चीज पर they should have actually focus. But I mean, I should use this platform to speak. If our government should have taken more, constructive ways, that blue sky would have not gone. It would have stayed with us till today. I mean, and we should not just blame the government for the same. As a citizens as a whole, that was our duty, and we failed again. So. Let's see. I mean, I'm not praying that COVID should come again. I'm praying that the sky should come back. At least the sky.
अभी मैं आपको यही क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला था. As Avnesh also mentioned कि pandemic के बाद सब ने साइकिल खरीदी, तो I think it was more than 400 500% growth in cycling. Not in India, but Europe में भी है, वो सब जगह है. People are buying cycle like crazy. They're putting, you rightly mentioned, people are putting 100 kilometer किया या 200 kilometer किया. The surge is everywhere. बट इसको कैसे कंटिन्यू रख सकते हैं? मतलब मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप लोग जैसे यू हैव साइकिल ऑन रेंट इन जयपुर, बट देयर आर स्मॉलर सिटीज, जैसे अभी फॉर एग्जांपल आई स्टेड इन देहरादून फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, 7-8 years. उसका एनवायरनमेंट भी वर्स होता जा रहा है, एंड वी डोंट हैव कल्चर ऑफ साइकिलिंग देयर. तो वहाँ पे कोई साइकिल रेंट पे शायद देता है, नहीं देता है, वी डोंट नो दैट. बट ऐसी cities which are still in that phase of transformation where population is increasing, the pollution is also increasing, हम कैसे कर सकते हैं कि लोगों को मोटिवेट करें कि वो साइकिल करें, छोटे छोटे कामों के लिए कम से कम साइकिल करें, और ऑफिस भी जाना है 2-5 किलोमीटर 10 किलोमीटर, उसके लिए साइकिल, और गवर्नमेंट के साथ कैसे कोलैबोरेट करें कि जो ये साइकिल ऑन रेंट है या इलेक्ट्रिक बाईसाइकिल है वो इजीली अवेलेबल हो, कम कॉस्ट में अवेलेबल हो, सो दैट हर कोई मतलब साइकिल को एज ए एलीट मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन समझे, नॉट जस्ट लाइक एनीवन हु इज साइक्लिंग इज नॉट ऑफ दैट स्किल व्हिच इज कंसीडर्ड राइट नाउ. तो हम ऐसा क्या करें पेंडेमिक वाले सिचुएशन के बाद जो सिचुएशन आई थी साइक्लिंग के लिए, उसको कंटिन्यू रखें?
See, I should say we should work in a reverse manner in this case. ये नहीं देखें कि ये हमारे solutions हैं, हमें ये करना चाहिए. हमें ये देखें दिक्कतें कहाँ से आ रही हैं.
Okay.
पहली दिक्कत ये आ रही, we should work that way. Why should we blame every time the our government? गलती हमारी भी होगी, तभी cycles जो actually हम जैसे as an Indian, हम जैसे ही 4-5 साल के होते हैं, हमारे घर में एक बच्चे के पास साइकिल जरूर आ जाती है. तो there is a fault in us, you know, that we are not taking that cycles into its existence back. We are actually, you know, we are actually removing cycles from our own houses. So पहला है, so what is the problem पे हमें फोकस करना चाहिए कि हमें क्यों नहीं साइकिलिंग कर रहे लोग. पहला environment. So environment can't be changed. Yeah. Then second is the safety of the cyclist. This is one major concern. लोगों का हमेशा मुझे साइकिल नहीं चलानी because मुझे डर लगता है रोड्स पे साइकिल चलाने से. Right. So we need to work upon that. We need to take more people on road. We need to set up more, I should say the more एक individual as an icon we should set कि ये जब ये चला सकते हैं तो आप तो चला ही सकते हो. Yeah. We should not treat cycle as a low, mode of commute. Rather, it is actually the necessity. I mean, with the price, the petrol price hiking, the diesel hike. So it should be one major thing which should be focused upon. More subsidy should be given by the government on cycles can also help. So we should, jot down the points कि कहाँ कमी है और उस पे काम करना चाहिए. I mean, I should not talk about the Dehradun over here. I should talk about Jaipur. I mean, see, since I belong to this city, I can comment on Jaipur here. हमारे यहाँ पे लोगों से अगर बोले कि आप साइकिल चलाओ, वो नहीं चलाते. Because temperature is weird. I mean, गर्मियों में it is almost 40+. Then हमारा अगर आप modal share अगर आप देखें या फिर आप normal अगर आप distance की बात करें, on an average जो trip length है हमारे जयपुर की, it is 10 kilometers. It is not more than that. So people can be easily shifted to cycles. But concern ये है, वो कहते हैं कि safe cycling हम नहीं कर सकते. जब 2-wheelers के इतने accident होते हैं, हम तो साइकिल पे होते हैं. Yeah. Government के पास आप जाओ, they say that we do not see cyclists on road. And लोग यूं कहते हैं, it's again chicken story. लोग कहते हैं कि इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि safety नहीं है. Government कहती है जब cyclist ही नहीं है तो हम track क्यों बनाएं? The point is come out with a solution. हम ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं?
Yes, पूजा, मैं बस आपके पॉइंट में एक ऐड करना चाह रहा था. I mean, we have Nays and I have discussed many times. I have friends who are cycling now, and पहले मतलब बचपन में किया होगा या बहुत अर्ली एज टीनेज में किया होगा, उसके बाद पेंडेमिक के बाद साइकिलिंग शुरू की, and they got like the passion for cycling now. तो जब भी हम बात करते हैं तो उनको they have this what you call is now cycling etiquette or respect for other cyclists. पहले वो कहते थे कि हम गाड़ी चलाते तो हमें लगता था ये साइकिलिस्ट जा रहा है, साइड क्यों नहीं हो रहा है.
Right.
बट अब खुद साइकिल चलाते हैं तो उनको लगता है मतलब मेरे को इसको पास देना चाहिए कि ये पहले जाए या ये क्रॉस कर रहा है तो इसको रिस्पेक्ट करूं। तो ये भी एक फर्क है क्योंकि हम लोग
Yeah.
साइकिल तो चलाते नहीं है, हम लोग कार और मोटर बाइक वगैरह चलाते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि साइकिलिस्ट जा रहा है ये जल्दी से क्रॉस नहीं करे, इससे हम आगे ओवरटेक कर लें। तो ये फर्क मेरे को लगा है कि लोग अगर साइकिलिंग करेंगे तो वो अदरवाइज जो पेडेस्ट्रियन है या साइकिल पे हैं या अदर कोई और भी है उनको रिस्पेक्ट
Yeah.
करेंगे ज्यादा। तो दैट विल आल्सो हेल्प आई थिंक।
अग्री। सो देखिए, आप ना कोशिश कर सकते हैं लोगों को साइकिल पे लाने के लिए, पर जो उनके अंदर का जो सोशल जो ये बिहेवियर है वो तभी होगा जब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपकी कार पे लिखा हुआ है बेबी ऑन बोर्ड, तो पीछे कोई गाड़ी चला रहा है तो वो अपने आप हॉन्क नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज ही नोज कि भाई इसके लगा हुआ है कि बेबी ऑन बोर्ड है। अगर आप खुद गाड़ी चला रहे हैं तो आपको ये पता है कि मुझे धीरे चलानी है बिकॉज आई हैव दैट स्टिकर व्हिच इज देयर। सो व्हाट वी डिड इन जयपुर लास्ट ईयर वाज, हमने जयपुर के मेजर ट्रैफिक पॉइंट्स पे खड़े होकर हर गाड़ी पे, बीट टू व्हीलर और फोर व्हीलर, हमने एक स्टिकर लगाया हर गाड़ी पे, दैट वाज वी टू एग्जिस्ट, सो द साइक्लिस्ट एंड पेडेस्ट्रियंस आल्सो एग्जिस्ट ऑन रोड्स, यू नो, at least 3 meters, you know, keep a distance. So that was the thing, and हमने सब सारी गाड़ियों पे लगाया, बीट टू व्हीलर, फोर व्हीलर, मर्सिडीज थी, वो i20 थी या मारुति थी, वी डिड नॉट स्पेयर एनी सिंगल पर्सन, एंड जितनी ट्रैफिक पॉइंट से गुजरी तो हमने सब पे वो स्टिकर लगाया, सो दैट दिस कॉन्शियस, यू नो, इज देयर कि भाई हमें हमारी गाड़ी पे ही अगर स्टिकर लगा है तो हमें कुछ साइकिलिस्ट को रिस्पेक्ट करनी है।
Right.
So that was a movement we started here in Jaipur. We started when one of our cyclist friend in Surat, he passed away, you know, due to this mishap, yeah, with a motorized vehicle. So then this movement was started, and with the name of hashtag #We2Exist. So that was the entire program was about. And then I was saying about this, you know, the वॉल सिटी, जो साइकिल ट्रैक की बातें बहुत चलती है, जब भी आप किसी से बात करेंगे, किसी समझदार से, या यू नो एनी पर्सन हु डू नॉट, हु इज विलिंग टू साइकिल बट हु एक्चुअली डोंट साइकिल, आपको एक ही आंसर मिलेगा, भाई ट्रैक ही नहीं है, हम कहाँ चलाएंगे, बाहर तो होते हैं, हमारे इंडिया में नहीं है। तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर इन जयपुर इज, right now we have just taken the walled city, I mean not the entire Jaipur, we have just taken a walled city wherein we are developing by lanes. For example, अगर दिल्ली के अंदर चांदनी चौक है, चांदनी चौक में आपको कहते हैं कि भाई साइकिल ट्रैक बनाओ यहाँ पर, आई एम श्योर गवर्नमेंट अपने हाथ खड़े कर देगी कि इट कांट बी पॉसिबल, लोगों को चलने की जगह नहीं मिलती, गाड़ियां निकल नहीं पाती, आप ट्रैक की बातें कर रहे हो। So we need to come out with a solution and then give it to the people and to the government कि see this can be done. अगर वहां जगह नहीं है तो एक बाई लेन तो होगी जो उसके साइड में कहीं से निकल कर वापस आपको मेन पॉइंट पे पहुंचा देगी। So what we did in the walled city, in the, you know, this heritage city of Pink City, हमने क्या करा, हमने मैपिंग कराई, what are the beautiful places which you can see on bicycle and what are the tourist destination, and that's how we are promoting, you know, tourism on cycles here in the city. And we have mapped down, I am you know, grateful to the cyclist community in the city, in the Jaipur, who helped me in doing the survey part, and we are here, and we'll be, you know, soon we'll be developing a report and submitting it to the government for the same, wherein we'll be saying कि भाई मेन रोड पे नहीं तो बाय लेन तो है, उस पे तो हमें साइक्लिस्ट को और पेडेस्ट्रियन को आपको रास्ता देना पड़ेगा। Yeah. So when we go there with a solution, I am sure government will also accept us. हर बार प्रॉब्लम लेके जाओगे तो प्रॉब्लम वालों का कोई सुनता नहीं है, आंसर लेके जाइए, क्योंकि आपको पता है ये प्रॉब्लम है तो इसका ये आंसर है। Yeah.
Wonderful. How many people, I mean, in totality, just say, how many people, if I want to take a number, how many people you must have served through your Pink Pedal initiatives in your company? I mean, कितने लोग अभी कितने लोग आए?
More than, I mean, if I talk about the database thing, it's more than 1 lakh people in last 4 years. Yeah.
And I'm sure अभी ज़्यादा हुआ होगा, नहीं अभी कम होगा pandemic के बाद? During the pandemic.
हाँ, graph obviously increase हुआ है after the pandemic, so it has actually increased. I mean, I still remember there was one uncle, and you know, almost 55 plus age के थे, उन्होंने मुझसे साइकिल ली, and as again, I mean, I never take my cycle back if they are not, you know, completing their 20 minutes.
Oh wow.
He came back, yeah, he came back in 20 minutes, he came back in 10 minutes कि भाई मुझसे नहीं चल रही, मेरा पाँव में दर्द हो जाएगा, मेरे घुटने बोल जाएंगे, मैं तो नहीं चलाऊंगा. I told him कि see your 10 minutes are still left. You can stand there with the cycle for another 10 minutes. जब आपके 20 मिनट पूरे हो जाए तो मुझे साइकिल दे देना. And he was like कि ऐसे क्यों कर रही हो, पैसे दे तो रहा हूँ. मैंने कहा नहीं, see money doesn't matter here. You need to cycle. Point यहाँ पर ये है कि you need to stand over there and you need to complete your 20 minutes. He was there for 5 minutes. He was standing with the cycle, एकदम idle. He was standing, and then he realized कि बढ़िया है, खड़ा खड़ा कर क्या रहा हूँ, एक चक्कर ही मारा तो. So he went again, and yeah, so उन्होंने cycle चलाई. This fellow, he on an average he rides for 50 kilometer almost in a day or two. He rides for 50 kilometer now. So that's kind of an achievement for me, and I always take it like I bow for my own self कि भाई अंकल भी चला सकते हैं तो कोई भी चला सकता है. Yeah.
In fact, maybe Dharam or मैं, we've been there's been some time that we started going on the road and pedaling. We in fact used to discuss one big change. Like I wanted to tell you from Delhi's perspective also. I think now what has happened is, like Dharam was also mentioning, say people have started to empathize with the riders and fellow riders, and someone who's driving a car actually stops, including me. Change, Delhi traffic, Delhi. I want the cyclist to go first. मैं रुक जाऊंगा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. What we've also realized is that there are a lot of initiatives that people have started taking up. So you're absolutely right. Sitting in a position and saying, government क्या करेगी, it's not going to lead you anywhere. There are people, and it's a very nice gesture. People have, for example, I'm talking from a South Delhi perspective. There are certain stretch of road from both the ends. People have started putting air pumps. Like they're just kind of like a complex thing. They've tied air pumps. कि उन्हें पता है कि यहाँ से cyclist. It's a very big change if you really ask me. वो free के pumps लगे हुए हैं. If anyone wants to take their cycle, can actually go there, fill up the air, and kind of move. So it's a very selfless service, if I can actually call it. It's a very thing.
I see. It's not a competition here, but yes, Jaipur is doing the same. Yeah.
Wonderful.
So we will be having this free air pumps on almost all the petrol pumps very soon. Let's see. Yeah, the proposal has it's already been sent to the to the authorities, to the petrol pump owners, and we already have free air for the 2-wheelers and the 4-wheelers. We are saying कि एक nozzle ही तो लगानी है, वो भी लगा दो, cycles भी उनमें भी हवा भर जाएगी.
Right. Even I've seen Germany में उनके they have these toolkits also tied with the box. तो आप जाओ अगर साइकिल रिपेयर भी करनी है तो उसमें toolkit tied है, and you guys can repair your cycle there only in case any emergency.
Wow,
so
that's something nice.
I can share some picture with you. I mean that can be implemented anywhere. It's very cheap and I think very doable actually.
Well, that would be really nice of you if you can share the pictures. I mean, I would certainly like the same thing happening here in Jaipur.
Yeah. एक क्वेश्चन है मेरे को, अगर हम लोग जयपुर आए फॉर एग्जांपल, हाउ शुड वी कांटेक्ट फॉर पिंक पेडल्स? मतलब मेरे को साइकिल लेनी, वहां पे रेंट पे मेरे को घूमना है, कहाँ सर? गूगल पे या यू हैव एनी कांटेक्ट नंबर और एनीथिंग?
So we are present through the website. You just need to write Pink Pedals, or you just need to write cycles in Jaipur. You'll see us over there. We are there on TripAdvisor, Airbnb, everywhere. I mean, if you're looking for any experience on bicycle, we are there.
And one more question on top of that, you continuously mentioned 20 minutes. So for example, just want to take cycle for like 2 days or 4 days, because people come for Jaipur is like one of the destinations people love to travel. And cycle पे particularly people who are cycling on daily basis, उनको cycle का एक hobby भी बन गई है. So they would love to explore the city on cycle. So you have this on the basis of day, or is only like minutes based, or one can take for a week or something like that?
See, what we say is you just need to cycle. कितनी देर चलाएंगे? You need to prepare your own package and we will provide you cycles. That's what we are up to. So Pink Pedals is all about cycling. So cycle चलानी है, एक दिन चलानी है, 2 दिन, आधा घंटा, you have cycle. You can get the cycle from us. So that's what we are working upon. Yeah.
Okay.
For months to weeks to days and to minutes, we have cycles for everyone as per your need and requirement.
if today I want to ask you, and I'm sure you know the way so passionately you're talking about pink pedals. I know these kind of projects are not something that you start for money, and I can totally relate that. I'm sure when you started it, it was money was not on your mind. I really want to ask you today, अगर आज के डेट में आपसे बोलता आपका सबसे high level actual mission क्या है? Where do you see pink pedals, in this entire scenario? What exactly do you think pink pedals should be doing today? Yeah, what is your ultimate objective जो आप इससे achieve करना चाहोगे?
Ultimate objective, see, I want to bring cycles back into its existence, saying कि cycles एक तुच्छ वस्तु नहीं है. It has the power to change the world. That's what I want to prove the entire community, to the people sitting over there, to the ministers, everyone. So we can change the world even if we are paddling. And to all those summits happening there inside, an air-cooled room, we need to tell them कि कभी पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के देखिए, and then cycle and then have a summit. We can talk about the ozone layer even then. So yeah. So my the basic motive and the basic motto of as a founder of Pink Pedals or as a bicycle mayor of Jaipur is just to bring cycles back into its existence. And I feel really privileged when people tell them कि जयपुर में अगर साइकिल का कल्चर आया है, पूजा तो तुम्हारे कारण आया है. So that's kind of a compliment, and I really take it to the other level कि भाई कुछ करना चाहिए. We should not just work for our own oneself, and we should actually give something back to the society. What goes around comes around is the belief we should all should work upon, and let's make this cycling habit big thing in the country. And I would certainly want Jaipur to be the cycle capital of India. So that is the basic agenda, and I'm telling you, my people here, my community here, they are too passionate. I am sure we will certainly do that very soon in the near future. I mean, we will do it. We will certainly do it. I mean, लोग मुझे कहते हैं तुम पागल हो चुकी हो, कपड़े साइकिल के पहनती हो, कान में इयरिंग साइकिल के पहनती हो. I tell them कि it's not the it's not the पागलपन. It's like हमें देखेंगे तो लोगों को लगेगा कि अगर साइकिल ये कान में पहन सकती है तो चला भी सकते हैं हम चला के तो देखें. Yeah, so there are so many things. I mean, it was a pleasure today being here. And had a lovely time. I mean, I didn't feel like something.
Same energy.
Yeah. It just happened. It's like more than 45 minutes.
Yeah, we also feel same because we keep talking to Cycle Federation of India, and they are quite supportive to the cycling summit. And we have been talking to many cyclists across the country, and on daily basis we get queries when are you doing cycling summit in Goa, other places, even Northeast, क्योंकि हमने अभी 3 cities का plan किया है. So we get these inquiries, and because the region of cycling summit, we have the same passion there. कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए जिसमें people are involved not because they want to do that because of certain region, but because they are passionate about that. And the way you are passionate, it feels like we have same level of energy. Yeah.
Awesome. See, normally क्या होता है when we start doing things, I'm here out of the passion. Money was one part, but yes, I'm here because of my passion. क्योंकि सब कुछ था, मतलब जब चालू भी किया था, people were like कि क्या कर रही हो. अब वही लोग, they call me on stage and they award me. For example, the road safety month was there. So I feel honored. I feel like कि भाई देखो आज साइकिल के कारण if I can reach there, you can also reach somewhere else, तो साइकिल चलाओ, जिंदगी बनाओ. That should be the basic motto. And these days with the petrol hike and the diesel hike, I'm the super happiest person saying कि अब तो अपने आप साइकिल पे लोग आ जाएंगे. People don't need me.
Or even now, because of people have got this habit for a while, तो ये continue होगा hopefully.
Absolutely.
Yes.
पर हमें जाना पड़ेगा जयपुर जल्दी. We should just go to Jaipur, cycle from her, and we should.
और मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन आपसे before we conclude the conversation, मेरे को क्वेश्चन था, how does it feel to be mayor of cycling? So
I mean, it's just a normal feeling. They have given me an honorary position, and I'm glad they chose me for the same. But I am just one single person doing the entire thing. I am not the only one who is promoting cycle in Jaipur. There are many others because of whom I am sitting here and talking to you all of you. So I am lucky enough that I have a community who supports me. So yeah, so with a single hand you cannot achieve you cannot target a change. If you have a community along with you, the change will automatically come.
Right.
So that is the thing. Let's see how it becomes. How
Yeah.
the entire
We
scenario will
we
change.
we hope to see the mayor one to one on someday in Jaipur.
Certainly.
And we will love to have cycling summit coming to Jaipur as well. On
Awesome.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I
Well,
mean,
thank
if
you
you
so
have
much.
some foreign, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Can I
No, no,
continue?
Yeah,
please,
please,
please.
please,
No,
yes.
no, no. We could sit here for
Okay.
hours more. We
Okay.
talk.
Okay. So, I mean, see, even for the foreign tourists coming here and visiting the city, we have these experiences wherein we take them on bicycle to the nearby, villages and tell them about our village, about the village. We take them on cycles to the forts nearby. उनको फिर साइकिल पे हम सब कुछ दिखाते हैं and we make them wake up early in the morning and
Right.
show them all the lively things in the city. We also take them for the night tourism. I still remember, in January, 26th of January only, there were a group of 5 ladies. Two of them they had their 50th birthday. 50. They traveled to Gurgaon. Just 5 ladies, and they cycled all around. And I was one of them. I just joined them because they requested कि पूजा हमें डर लगता है कि जयपुर कहीं safe नहीं हुआ था. I told them no, Jaipur is absolutely safe. And then we were cycling somewhere till 9:30, 10ish in the night. And it was really great. So even the females are on the cycles now in the city. I can go on. I'm sorry. You need to
No,
conclude.
No problem. We can also continue because it's kind of one of the passion we also have. So we can continue for hours discussing the situation, discussing the upcoming trends, or even how we can collaborate on things, make it a better
Absolutely.
place. Yeah, Delhi, city like Jaipur, Delhi, or Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore needs more cyclists than other kind of motor vehicle riders. Yes.
But
Yeah.
we are actually honored to host a mayor today,
My
and
pleasure.
being the first episode, I'm sure, and it wonderfully said that not a single person, for example, you as you mentioned for yourself, cannot make a change. It has to take a collaborative effort, and I think salute to all the people who are pedaling every day on the road, because it is that collaborative effort which is being recognized by people, and more people are actually cycling looking at one another.
Right.
So I think it's going to go on. So really a lot of gratitude to the lot of people who've been cycling along with just us here. But thank you so much for joining us, Pooja. Have a wonderful future with Pink Pedals, and we're sure to see you sometime very soon in Jaipur then.
Oh, great. I would be honored to host both of you over here in the city.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Thank you.